Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back, guys. Today's day 6 of 10 days of coach, and we have a true unboxing today, guys. I'm super intrigued because this is a true unboxing. I haven't seen this bag in person, but I was stalking it online and I had it in my cart for a while, and then eventually it sold out. And then I panicked, called my local Coach outlet store, and paid for it that way. So here she is. It got here really quick, like I want to say 2 days. I'm so curious to see what this bag looks like, what it feels like. So let's get into it, guys. I'm going to try to do this carefully. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. It's not that I'm nervous about the bag, it's just that I haven't seen it in person. So I think it's because I'm hoping it's going to be as perfect as I envision it. But guys, are you ready? Wow, guys, here she is. I'm sure you can see from the side. You got a little hint. Now let's reveal her. Oh my God, guys. I am so glad if this looks this way because I'm so glad this bag is pretty. Oh, it's actually smaller than I thought. It's a good size. I don't want to say it's smaller, but this is a very good medium size. Wow. Well, medium to large maybe. This is the Hadley turn lock tote, guys, and what do they, I forget what they call this exactly on the website, but this is the raffia or like the straw material, and it still has a little bit of leather on it, which is really what piqued my interest. Wow. Oh my God, this bag is so nice. This is perfect. Yeah, I am really liking this. And it's like still malleable. I really wanted to get like an all leather Hadley tote, but I don't need another tote. That's the thing. And I knew that I needed a beach bag, and that's what really prompted me to put this in my cart online. This is so perfect. I love it. I love that it's leather lined. It has a zipper pocket. Now, what is this? It looks like it's some kind of glue or something in there. Ugh. See, this is the problem. Sometimes you get these little um what is that? It's a stain or glue or something like that. I'm not too happy about that. It's not really what I want to see. Yeesh. All right. I'm just doing a little bit of an inspection. I do see something else. A little mark here as well. Yeesh. Yeah, this is not ideal. I'm gonna try to take this back. It's just I didn't want to have to make that trip to the Coach outlet store because it's quite far, but I have something else to return to the outlet anyway. So I'm gonna try my luck and I'm gonna call them, see if they can hold one of these for me because they had a few. But honestly, guys, this bag is cute. You know what? This is not only like a beach bag, it's leather lined, and so it makes it a little bit more elevated. I like the way they did this. The design is like on point. Like I like the stripes. The colors go well together. I love this gold Coach emblem. It just gives it that extra level of like class, you know? It's not just a straw bag. Like if this were not there, it's a little bit more casual and just like it doesn't have that extra element. This hardware here that pops, this gold hardware that pops, the leather handles and the strip, it really makes it like a bonus straw bag, which I like. I haven't seen anything like this at this price point, and I'm really happy to have picked this up. I just don't want it with all the stains in it. So I am really hoping that I can find a different one. If not, honestly, I'm gonna have to return it and then like call another store. And I hate to be picky, but I've been buying bags for a long time, and I know certain things I can let go and like give it a pass, but something like this I can't. You know, there's this clearly a stain in there. I don't know what that is, but it's such a turn off. I don't know what that is, but it is really bothering me. And then that mark on the handle, on the back of the handle there. Yeah, no. Okay, but the bag is beautiful, and I kind of knew it was going to be great. I just wasn't like, I needed to see it and I needed to feel it. There are no feet on the bottom, which, you know, I would have liked it to have feet. But again, I'm gonna have to make a big order of these handbag heels from the Gals Guide shop because a lot of these bags don't have feet, and I think it would benefit from having feet. Like, look at this. This is just a leather base. I gotta count up how many bags need feet and make that order because the Gals Guide shop channel is so great She does amazing reviews and she has great videos on her handbags. And her product is like genius. So I will always support a fellow handbag lover, especially a woman entrepreneur. I did want to show you guys the current bag that I use for like, sometimes I use it as a beach bag, and most of the time I use this bag that I'm going to show you as a carry-on for travel. It's a bag I got a long time ago. It's the Rive Gauche tote by Saint Laurent. This is huge. It doesn't even fit in the frame. Okay, let me move this. The good thing about this is, as you can see, it like collapses on itself, like it's not rigid. So you can kind of like do with it what you please. You can fill it up to your heart's content. It has snaps at the top, or you could fill it up partially and it won't take up as much space. So, but it's very durable. It's like this linen, whatever fabric this is, very thick stuff. And that's why I like using it for like travel. And I recently actually just took this to, I had a day spa appointment like booked, and I took this. It fit everything I needed and it was great. So I do feel like this is like different than obviously the straw bag, but the straw bag is just, it's more elevated. And like I said, I can like wear this with cute outfits in the summer. This is why I wanted to purchase this bag, because it does fill somewhat of a void in my collection where it's like I need a cute beach bag, the shoulder handle, not the top handle, because I do have something that's like a little bit cuter, a little smaller for like toting around, and I bought that a long time ago. Maybe I can show you guys. But this is like, I can carry stuff in this, like I can actually fit a lot of things in here, and that's definitely what I'm after. This is like, I think this is going to be moved on to just like my carry-on or like short day trips. Or I can even take both of them. Yeah, I'm excited about this. This is so cute. What do you guys think? Do you guys like the Hadley tote? Because I like the Hadley turnlock tote. It really gives it a little bit of elevation. And the gold, I just love it. I'm glad I went with my gut on this one, because this, I'm going to use this. Like, I'm definitely going to use this. I just love the way it looks, and it's so light, and this definitely will stand the test of time. Like, I can wear this for a long time. All right, guys, let me show you the other tote that I was talking about. So this is the other tote. I've only worn this like twice, but I forget where I bought this from. I think I bought this from Farfetch, and it's by let me see. Where is this from? Oh, Stod. Okay, this is a Stod bag. I remember now. It actually came with this like little insert, which I haven't oh yeah, see, I did buy it from Farfetch. I haven't used this because it takes up so much space in here. I carried this by itself on vacation, and it's a top handle, so it's not the most convenient. It's more like I can't like sling it over my shoulder, so it's like more so like a cutesy, cute bag moment. But yeah, this is different. Obviously it's different. I think I'm justified in keeping the Coach bag. Let me know what you guys think about these Hadley turnlock totes. I think they're amazing. I definitely wanted like a leather one, either the stone or the green or even the bluebell, but I think that is like gone. I'm so excited to wear this all summer. I gotta dress her up and see. Oh, let me see if this will fit. That's cute. I like how that looks. I am so excited, guys. I love this. Let me show you guys something that I bought. I might as well open it now. This is a bag charm that I got off of the Kate Spade. I think it's a Kate Spade outlet. They were having a super sale. I saw this and I was like, wow, this is totally my style. This is totally my cup of tea. So I figured, let me just show you guys now, because this 10 days of Coach thing is just all about unboxing. So here we go. I saw this and I was like, oh my God, I love ice cream and I love color. Wow, this is way brighter than I thought. This is so bright, you guys. Oh my God. And I really liked it because it's big and functional. Like, you could definitely fit stuff in here. That is so cute. Look at the drops, little drip drops. It has like the gussets here, so you can put your cards in here. How adorable. That's as far as the zipper goes. And it says Kate Spade on the lining there. She is a keeper. That's too much stuff, but I just wanted to see how it would look. You guys, it's so cute. That's really fun. All right, guys, so that's all I have for today. I'm really glad that this worked out. I'm definitely keeping her, but I got to figure out what to do with the exchange and all that. So I will keep you guys posted on what happens eventually. But thank you guys for sticking through the whole video with all the random bits and bobs. But I pretty much walked you through my thought process. And that's like what I do off camera. So I pull the stuff out that's similar. I'm like, do I need this? Is it too close to the things that I have? How can I use it? Let me know what you guys think. If anybody has this exact straw bag, Let me know if you guys had any issues with the straw or any of this coming undone, because I know that's a real thing. It can happen. You just have to be a bit careful. But yeah, all right, guys. So I will see you in the next one. I can't believe it's coming to an end. I definitely have a few more unboxings, and I might have to lump them together to keep the whole number of 10 days of Coach. So stay tuned for more surprises, guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.